Hey guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream, where we're working on Project Hero, an action-adventure game that we're working with using Unreal Engine 4, learning C++, going through blueprints, gameplay ability system, plugin, all that jazz. So last time we left off, I had a random stream where we were talking about Unreal Answer Hub, and we kind of fixed some things with our test level because we were having issues where it would just wreck the stream quality. So I just created a smaller kind of playground test level. So now we should be able to run around and, you know, be able to better test some things. Obviously our UI is broken in that regard. So we want to fix a couple things. Obviously I want to load in a level, right? So I already have like a test level, right? Should be M4 sunny day, I think. Yeah. So the small test scene, we want to load this in to our other level, right? So honestly, I should probably rename them because they're identical. No, it's called Forest Test Map. Yeah, so M Forest Day, right? Yeah, Forest Test Map. So let me just go in. Let's go into our levels. We have to add one. And honestly, the problem right now, I believe, is that our level is in the same exact location. So like if I make the current one, you know, there's two landscapes and all that. And, you know, if I hide it, you know, that's kind of like what it looks like. So we kind of want to offset it, I believe. And we would have to universally offset stuff. Because I would like this to be like a universal thing where, like, you know, all the levels. Okay, well, what happened here? So why is our level empty? That's weird. What? Oh, there we go. So we have our level, right? And like, can I, like, I'm wondering if I can easily, you know, from the top perspective, just be like that. And like, I basically want to like universally offset everything. Because ideally, I don't want to change the Z. Like, I just ideally want it to be like somewhere off on the edge of like some world, right? So these should be just particles. Yeah, we're okay. So we should be able to just move it. You know, everything's still in place, right? And in the landscape, now it tells us, you know, it's at minus 831,895. Like, basically, it's at these settings. So I would say as long as we universally match this up with any other kind of preview map that we have, it should be fine. So we could just say that is just how it's going to work. Let me also look at my to-do list. I wonder if I'm missing anything. Oh yeah, fix auto apply cost. Fine. Submit. Get away. Okay, so we can continue building forest level day. That's fine. We got that. So now you should be able to go back into our forest test map and go into our levels and show it. And obviously we would want to know which level it's part of, so we want to kind of show that information. So this one, so it's all the way over here, which is totally fine, I think, right? Maybe. I think it should be okay. But I'm just wondering if the does this get affected by light? Oh boy. Oh yeah, it's not loaded. Let me just make sure it's always loaded for now. So yeah, my character's kind of doing some weird things. Why is he moving like that? Is it because I'm offset so far away from the rest of the world? Or maybe it doesn't even matter where it is, because we're always loading out of it. All right, let's try to find a better setup. So let's do top. So let's bring it back to 0, 0, 0. All right, and now let's go back. Forest test map. Perspective. Okay. Am I able to easily load and I don't want to load and unload levels so significantly. Maybe I could just make it really kind of high in the air. So let's go for the front brush. Let's just bring it a little bit in the air. Something like that. So here's my landscape up here. So I should be okay up here. Because like it's gonna be, again, loaded, unloaded on the fly, and you shouldn't really notice anything. Yeah, now I'm not getting that weird walking. So let me just check some of these meshes. Let me look at the lighting channels, because they might still be on one that doesn't matter. Well, yeah, so that should be good. Maybe it's the trees and stuff and grass. Recent. Yeah. Oh yeah, we probably don't need a post-processing thing in here, so we can just nuke that. Then, all right, yeah, let's look at the trees and stuff again. Foliage. Thanks for the hydrate, I'm on it. Let's look at this mesh. No, but not the mesh. Showing content browser, this thing. Yeah, this should be line channel 0. Same with this. And this. And this. I think that should be okay. Let's go back now into our forest test map. Let's go up here. Now it should look properly lit, right? Yeah, that looks a lot better. Just fun. Yeah, that looks normal. So now in here, recent levels, go back in here. Let's put the character preview in here. Oh, why is he going halfway the ground? Maybe something like that. Okay, so here's our character preview, right? So what exactly happens? Let's double check. Because I don't want this level to be loaded by default. What Pokemon are you? Oh, you got this weird Pokemon. It's like a legendary from the second. No, it's not legendary. Pokemon. I think it's these Gen 3. Let's look. Alright. Doesn't really give us fucking names. Or pictures, I mean. Pics. You're this one. Okay, they got names. What does that say? Claydol. You're Claydol. Do you want a specific Pokemon? I can give you a specific Pokemon. Okay. So let's remind ourselves how we're putting this UI on the screen. So I got inventory. We do that. And then yeah, we're finding all the actors of that type. Let's look at the code. So UI, inventory, character preview. I believe we're doing this. So let's see, UE4. C++, load a sub-level? Load and unload levels with this. All right. Should be pretty easy. So so we need to create an F name. So like eventually, like we're gonna have a bunch of different levels that we would want to load depending on a bunch of different variables, but we'll definitely do that later. Maybe we would have to do a clever way to figure that out. Because like if it's outside, like because my thinking was kind of wrong before, where like maybe I don't need a bunch of different levels, like but maybe yeah, I think I would. So I would need to do it based on, I don't have to worry about time of day, I don't think, but I would have to do it depending on weather, and maybe if I wanted to do a special one if like you're inside a cave or something, or maybe if you're swimming, I think that might be a little too much. So I don't know if an enum is the best way to handle this or not. But I think that's what I will do. I'll set up an enum, and of course I need the syntax because I forget always. So we can have I guess we'll do just weather stuff for now. So if it's raining, if it's snowing. Why did I get it? Resharper. What? Thank you. Okay. Does that have to go into the class or is it outside the class? Yeah. I'll try outside. Enum. The enum class? All right, hold on. We definitely do one in weather. Or maybe we can import the like, because this already has weather, but like maybe I guess I'll do biome. I think that'll be a better blueprint type, enum class, biome type. And I don't even know if like doing in the character preview is something that would be a thing. Maybe once we create actual biomes, we can factor it out. Uint 8. Is that just a misspelling? No. Let's copy that. So we could say forest, meadow, swamp. Get out of my swamp. And we'll say, we'll do desert, snow, mountains, and then the last one we'll say max biome type. Display name, max biome type. Snow mountains, desert, swamp. Like ideally this will be like the different biomes that we have. I don't know if that's going to be the case. We're just gonna handle forest for now. And the forest, I see we can do something like this just to make it cleaner. I don't know why it's giving this error. Ah, that's why. Okay. So we have different biome types, right? Maybe we should have maybe a data asset, because I'm fucking obsessed with data assets. To hold a T map. Let's try that. A T map. You can see if you are you familiar with T maps? I don't know what the T stands for, but I can show you what a T map is, and it's available in blueprints too. Let me know, and I'll talk about it if we need to. Never heard about it? Okay. So I'll show you what a T map is. So you can make a variable in Blueprint, and then under here, like so for example, you have Boolean, you have this kind of variable type thing. So you can make it a single variable, an array, you can make a set, or you can make a map, or a T map, or a dictionary. So I don't think you can do it with Booleans, I guess. So we'll do it with fname. So basically what you can do is you can correlate two variables together. So you could basically say, like, because what I want to do is I want to make a T map that holds this enum, and each enum represents an fname of the map I want to open, for example. So like for example here you have an fname, so you could say like so I'll show you how to make a variable. So you could say like Devin equals 1, you know, Sandra equals 10, because she's a 10 out of 10 baby. And then we'll say Christoph is a 7. He's a solid 7. And so basically what you can do is you can use some utility functions. You can see if anything contains anything. So you can see if it contains a certain fname or not. You can get the keys or values. So keys are the left side parameters, and the values are the right side. So you should be able to, you know, find a certain key, see if you find Devin. If that's true, it will return 1. If you type in Sandra, it will return 10. And if you do Christoph, it'll do 7. So I think it's called a T map, but it could also just be just a dictionary. I think they're interchangeable. Yeah, it's the same thing, T map. I think it's just what it's labeled as in C++. So you could do some interesting things like that. So where were we? New C++ class, data asset. Let's say character preview environments data asset. I'll say data, fine. It's too long anyway. Data character preview environment. So hopefully I'll be able to do what I want to do and show you as an example with this T map. Because essentially what I want to do, because it says I need an fname, right? And I need gameplay statics. And I need what? So I need to load street level, so level to load. I'm guessing I need the full reference path, I think. Let's see. Or like an example. No, maybe I should have async loading too. I don't know. I would also need a callback. All right, let's just assume. Is it load level? It's kind of tricky. I don't know what it should be, but let's close out. We should have a data. And for now, it'll be in the public space, I guess. View property, edit anywhere, blueprint, read, write. I guess no, blueprint read only. We don't want people fucking with this. Category equals maps. Then we'll say T map. And I think I want it to be what? E biome type. F name? Oh yeah, I also need to do this and fix the include. 0. Declaration doesn't do anything. What do the other data types do? I don't think I need to include my character thing, do I? So data asset does that, but there should be like player movement stuff, right? So we have all this tags. Yeah, nothing in there. All right, let me just try to compile. I think it's gonna fail, but we'll see. Missing a variable name. Oh. Well, yeah. Okay, UE4 team map syntax, I guess. Let's see. So team maps are primarily defined by two types, a key type and a value type, which are stored as associated pairs in the map. All right, yeah, I gotta name it. Okay. Preview environments. There we go. Huzzah! All right, we're good. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So now that we have that, player character, preview character. character preview data. Yeah, this is just data about the offset and stuff, and I got comments and everything, so we're good. So I guess I could just do another one, data. So this data. Character preview data, no. Character preview environment data. Character preview environment data. And now I have a T map, so I got forest. And now I should be able to put in the name of the level. And this is where my confusion is. If I literally need to do in forest underscore sunny, or if I need to do the whole like reference path. I'm going to assume, because it's under maps, that I should be able to get away with doing something like this. If not, we'll have to see. So let's try to load. So we got all our data asset stuff. So boom. So in here, I need to. Oh, I gotta try to load a level. Let's include gameplay statics, right? Kismet gameplay statics. And I guess I would have to do a load. Might have to factor this out to its own function, but we'll do it here for now. Okay, so it should be what? I guess I need to now make a data asset reference. Like, where should the... I don't know, it seems like that's out of place. I think I want to keep this data in, not in the UI, but in the actor. So I need another. Where's the preview data? There it is. So we can pretty much yoink that. But it's gonna be what? You character, no, you character preview, environment data, character preview, environment data. I think that's all good. Let's see if that will compile. I feel like I would also like it might. I don't know if it would be better to like make like some sort of level loading manager class that handles all of it. I think it should be fine for a prototype. Okay. So in here, we can add our new data. Boom. Oh, this won't work. Yeah, that won't work. It won't work because this actor is not going to be loaded yet. So maybe it should be in our player character instead. Yeah. So I think like a level manager thing would probably be a good idea. Maybe put it into the game mode or the game state or something so that it handles that and it'll be independent of whatever level's happening. Maybe. I don't know. We'll have to think about that, but again, prototype, whatever, let's do it messy. Let's just put it into our player character. Okay. That's like class. I don't want to have to include it. Do I need to even include it? I don't know. It's already so late in the day. Oh, tired too. Went to the gym, got my sweat on, but also worked about 8.5 hours. Oh. Probably gotta read after this. Maybe play some Overwatch. I don't know. We'll see what mood strikes me after streaming. Alright, so it's gonna be in our character now. Yeah, maybe player state would be better. I don't know. Something to think about. Boom, player character. There we go. So again, we have this set up. So what I should have to do is when we construct, I should be able to do what? A hero character? Is it just player character? A hero player character, we'll call it player character equals what? Get owning player. I'll have to do a cast, a hero player character. Like that. It doesn't recognize the class, so I'll have to include. Oh yeah, big quotes. Okay, so that should be kosher. And then we'll say if player character. We'll also want to do what? Biome type. Current biome equals. I will do forest. I believe that's what we have set up. So then if player character. We gotta do what? Player character. What's the parameter stuff called? Preview environments. Find key. No, find value. How do I do that in Blueprint? Do I still have that variable that I prototyped in here? Maybe. Is it not that one? Maybe it's this one. No, I don't. All right. Let's quickly. Let's make the biome in Blueprint, for example. Let's make the team map here. So name. So there's find. So we can do that. So I think find the value associated with a specific key. So I could say what? F name level to load equals. So what is find? Returns a pointer to the value associated with. Maybe? Maybe? I guess I could do a UE log. Log temp. Warning. Text. Do I use F12? No. Thank you. I will try to remember that. So find return null pointer, return the value. Much appreciated. Thank you, Quasi. So level name equals I don't know if that's gonna be right. But we could try. All right, well, it compiled, so that's one thing. Yep. Okay. So we're in force test map. Let's go down here because this is our actual map. Let's play. And then we're pressing J. All right. Well, showing him. It's not crashing. So let's see. Output log. So it didn't print anything. So do we have anything that says level name equals? No. Okay. Let's put a breakpoint. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh. What did I do? Fuck. Resume. Let's try that again. So step into, step out. All right, so player character is not anything. Let me put a breakpoint here. I really gotta get better at debugging here. How do I... What the hell? How do I see the value of something? Expect? No. Like, it should return something. Like, what's the value of player character? Okay. Well, I know player character is null at this point, but like, why? What is get owning player? Okay, can I do another log? Log temp, warning, text. Get owning player. Name. Do I have to do anything like that? Let's see. Okay. Again, I never know what to put if it's an asterisk or an ampersand sign. Because I think I'm getting the, yeah, I think that's right. All right. I guess, yeah, get owning player. So player context is valid. Okay, so it gives me the player controller. Okay. Get owning player pawn is probably what I want. So let's try that again. But just in case we need the log, let's uncomment it or comment it out. Let's see. Okay. So we're here now. Let's get our output log here. Let's clear. Let's press J. So level name equals nothing. Okay, so it's at least it's getting called. Try that. Hey, Sonny, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by. How's that good life? Got sick? Damn. That's not sick at all. Sorry to hear. What am I doing here? I'm trying to figure out how to properly stream levels in. Because like my goal for this project, I would like to have it so like if you're in a forest biome, for example, and you go into the preview character, this is the UI I'm referring to. Like I would like be like, okay, like you'll see the background of the forest, for example. Or you would see the background of like it would be snowing, or you'll be in a cave or something. So I'm trying to see what's up. Like the level name is always returning none. So the set custom dilation thing is also getting fucked up because I need to load in. So I'm trying to see like best way to handle loading in a level, because I'm trying to, like right now I have a data asset that holds like a map that holds different names and stuff like that. Can I do a let's do a 4 like f name level name in let's do so like TRA UE4 C++ how to get value from TU map. Something we already read up in before. So get pair pointer, maybe? Oh boy. Let's see. Let's do is it U character preview data? Is that the environment data equals then can I say f name level to load equals environment data environment data, thank you. Dot, or is it like preview environments dot get pointer get pair pointer. There's actually no, there's a script helper. This is probably not the right way to do it. Value. Oh boy, the word values in there a lot. Okay. Creating and filling a map, iteration, queries. Removal, sorting, operators, Slack, key functions. All right, that told me literally nothing. So for auto elm and fruit map, local print f string, so elm.key. So there's get keys. Oh, this is where I was hoping I would not get lost and confused, but I am. Classic.
Howdy, stranger.
No. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. I'm having trouble. Find current biome.
You're so odd.
I don't know if it's like I'm just trying to make sure it prints the name. And I make sure I get the name correct. Because then when I pass it into like a load level. What? I'm gonna open file, internal internal test. What the fuck? Why did I get in here? Yeah, that's wrong. Can I just do like, all right, let's do 4. Definite. We'll do auto. Level names. And environment data. Preview environments. Dot keys. Get keys. Okay. Do I have to do like theory f name level names equals? Okay, maybe I do this. No. Ugh, I'm stuck. I know I used T-maps before though. Was it in the weather? Let's see. T-map? No. Key. Oh, I know. It was in Krzysztof's project. Shit. Okay, I can't look at that on stream. But then what is the? I guess I could do what? Team map, e biome type, f name. I'll say levels equals environment data, leave environments. It's const. And then preview environments. Oh no, it's just called levels. Levels. Find. Current biome. Does this compile? Like, I don't know what this is doing now. Like, I doubt it's gonna compile. I guess it does. Okay. Ah, sorry for the boogers. Let's go back at this inventory thing. So there's this find, right? Can I find this? It's reading C++ symbols. I'd like to know what this is doing, because this is what I need. Team map. They set it in the map. Value, no. No. Blueprint map library. Okay. Blueprint map library. Okay. Now is there find? So Is there like a CPP for that? Okay. Find. Um, so the target map helper. Um, I feel like I want a weird way about doing this because I'm so confused. So do I have to include anything? Um, um, so map property in the target map. Can I do something like levels? The map property, can I say like current biome? No. Yeah, okay. I think I'm just stuck. UE4 C++, how to easily get value from tmap. Yeah, I was already looking at this. Okay. So it's a property. So maybe I gotta do let's see. F script map helper. Script map helper. Now it's gonna be what? A map property? Like a UMap property? A ustruct property? Or would it be like a U enum property? And then it would be what? Put that in there. All right, let's try this again. New hero character preview. Hero character preview. No. Environment. Yeah, you character preview. Environment data. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat any boogers, don't worry. I'm not an eater, I'm just a picker. Data, we'll say level data equals what? Player character. Environment data. Preview environments. Why is this wrong? Oh. So tmap, e biome type, f name, level data equals that. Okay, so that's still wrong. So I have to do like element value address? No. This can't be the only way to do this. Like level data dot get keys. All right. I need to see what I did in Krishna's project. I don't know where I put it. I just won't show it on stream. There we go. Okay. All right, so I need to give it an array. Okay. P array of f name, level names, level names. No? Okay. What do I have to do? What? 32 num keys equals no viable function. Oh, the key. Oh, it's the biome type. So biome types. So we got keys. And then music stopped. Continue. Can I say like level data dot find key? The value to search for? No. Dot Uh, um, so it's giving me the biome types. So I guess I could do something like oops, not capital. For auto. For auto biome and biome types. If biome equals current biome, I gotta put that in parentheses. If biome equals current biome, I do like level data dot find biome.
You're so odd.
Just crazy.
All right, let me try num keys and 32 num values equals level data dot get values, right? Generate value array. I need to do what? T array, f name, level names. Let's see, level data dot find key. Let's see. Biome. Is there like a pair? T key value pair. What is that? Hold on, sorry, I'm getting messages. Sorry, guys. What does this do? Like, why is it so hard to get the fucking value from something? I'm getting so upset. I be. UE4 tmap how to get pair value. Tmap basics. Here's a video.
Blueprints to C++ programming series. Today we are covering
Okay.
basics. So like the last two vector or use the arrow operator. So let's have a look at the key and f vector as value. And the possibilities in blueprints are you can add based on a key, you can add a vector that map contains the value based that target in will method. You can add an element with pointer, so the keys, because
All right, so the find is what we
we
want.
have a key and we call contains and see if the key is available in the map. And then we have find, which you can use to get the value, or you can also use it as a kind of contains to see if the map.
So let us nuke all that again. So he's saying, so it's an f vector that, or in his case, it'll be const f name. So we'll say level name equals. So we gotta get. Let's see what he says.
Contains that specific key. Find in blueprints is the only way to access an element in the map, but like we've seen here in C++, we can access it directly with the bracket operator on that map. In blueprints, the only way to get a value based on a key is the find method. What we can do in C++ here is also, like I mentioned, use it to find out if the key exists in that map. So we will get a pointer back, and if that pointer is, let's say, that.
Okay, so we were kind of right. So let's get, God, to get the map again. Oh boy. So you character environment data equals oops. So environment data blah 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 equals player character oh yeah, I don't have to do that. I gotta do what? I'm all over the place today. PP data. It's under data, right? Yeah, I just gotta do that. Level map. And then I gotta do const f name pointer level name equals level map dot find and then the key. So the key in this case is current biome. And then we could do so if level name UE log temp warning text level name equals, and then basically we gotta what? Let's do this. F name equals. So I guess we gotta do this. Const equals level name. And then level name or just name? I swear to God. Is this right? All I want is the level name. Why is this gotta be so difficult? Okay. Oh. Let's play J. So level name is still bringing back nothing. So let's breakpoint J. Whoops, no. Play J. Should I step into? No. Step out. Step out. Okay. So it has M for Sunny. Oh, I'm dumb. Oh. God. I forgot how to construct current. Oh, okay. Well, hold on. Do I do this? I forgot how variables within strings work. Oh, that's a big oof. But I'm gonna thumbs up that guy's YouTube video because that did help. Gotta give props to the homies, you know? Okay. So let's just play, and we can fall, whatever. Yeah, there we go. Level name, Forest Sunny. Yes. Now we for sure got the right name. So that's nice. What I am confused about, though, is when I do press J, it shows something. Oh, nice nut. Solid nut. Yo, what's good, Soupy Doopy? Let me look at these levels real quick. Level. Streaming method, blueprint. That's good. Let me add a player start. Point them this way. Change this to be player start, yeah. Low-key freaking out, what's going on? So I'm curious how it's actually loading this already. Like, that's kind of weird. But maybe we can figure that out later. Might have a fungal infection when my toenails is yellow. Oh, fuck, that sucks. That's a big oof. Sorry to hear that. Sucks to deal with that kind of bullshit. All right. So now that we know we got the level, we can try to load it in. So maybe I don't need it as the sub level. I haven't had a fungal infection since I was 13, which equally sucked. I can imagine that equally sucked. That's gonna be a no from me, dog. All right, let's go to our levels. Ugh, that really sucks. All right, now I got rid of that sub-level. Does this J thing work? No, right? So that's okay. So now we know that's for clear for sure. Load, unload. So we need to grab this. I'm gonna call this level to load instead. Boom. Gotta see about getting some over counter stuff. Hell yeah. Press on the same toe on the other foot and didn't have the same little sting. Ugh. Alright. Let me see if this level will load now. Because I'm not 100% sure if it will load or not. Just because of the name. Yeah, of course, infected medicine's pricey. That's how they get you. So we press now. We press J. All right. Nothing's there. All right. So it definitely didn't load. Let's get the reference. Copy reference. No. Character creator? No. Player character. Don't know if that's the right way to do it. Sorry, hold on, I'm just checking up on some messages. €16? Let me Venmo you some €16, my dude. I can spot you. Oh, pounds? Alright, sorry, I don't know that. Still, okay, I can give you 16 pounds. I don't know what it's expecting. C++ level streaming. All right, there's a video for it. All right, he has a blog post. Unless I need to do it like... do I need to include it? So editor... levels... or, well, you did layers with that. Oh, no. What's these layers for? I don't know. Oh, no. I don't know. Window, levels. Add existing... blueprint. So, you know, so it shouldn't be loaded. So definitely not. We might have to continue this next time, but did I close out of that last one? All right. So load stream level. I closed out that window. Whoops. Okay, explore. So this is load stream level. So can I just do get world? Make visible after load. We'll say false. False, just like he is.
Howdy, stranger.
Okay. And then let's do what? U level streaming. Streamed level equals U gameplay statics. Get streaming level. Get world. Level to load. Stream level. B should be visible equals true. Why is that wrong? Do I need to include anything? Oh boy. Streaming?
Just crazy.
No. I will fight you. I'm not gonna give you money, don't worry about it. Okay, can I just include level streaming.h? Okay. Okay, UE4 include level streaming. Let's see. Okay, so that's not a thing. What the hell? Okay, can I just forget about this? Just make this true. It sucks because everything cheap is for skin, but the first nail one is almost 20 quid. That's how they get you, man. They fuck you over. Oh. So, can't include that. So it is engine. So engine. Okay, let's just see what happens. Can I ghost? No, I can't. Walk. Let's see. J. Let's see. Failed to find streaming level object associated. Alright, so maybe we gotta change the name back. We'll do J. Let's clear the log again. Clear the log. J. Failed to find streaming levels associated. Okay. UE4. Let's see. How do you try to do? Okay, so standalone. Does it work in standalone? I can't tell. So that doesn't work. Let's look at this guy. Uh, kind of stuck. Oops, not Twitter. maybe this. Build define streaming level associated with game hero maps. Okay. Can I do that? Build defined. Maps. I'm kind of just shooting in the dark now. Build define streaming level object. Let's go window levels. All right, let's try this again. Okay. So now it looks like it loaded. Okay. Okay, so we got it working, but I wonder, does it have to be like this? We gotta cut that. We're gonna put this here. Can I say this? Okay, so that just works. Okay. Okay. And now if I do J and then J again, now eject, like it's still visible up there. Okay. Now how do you unload? Unload stream level, okay. So I probably would want to make a callback method for when it spawned. But maybe we don't need that. I'm gonna copy this. No. Let me get this. Class view level streaming. Oh, level to load, right? Is that what I named it? No, streamed level. It was a can be const. Whatever. All right, so now that I have streamed level, let's do, so there's native construct and then native destruct. So we're getting the character, then this if, and then this latent action, and streamed level. We could say new gameplay statics, unload stream level, yeah, world, streamed level, like info. What's wrong? Okay, what are the 4 arguments? So world context. Oh, it's just the level name. Okay, whoops. F name level to load. Level to load. B should block on unload. I guess we got to say false. It was like const. Now we don't need this. So we're gonna do const like this. Okay, can we do that? Okay. Let's see if that works. What? Level to load references must be initialized. What? Okay, so I just have to. All right, we don't need to do that anymore. Just gotta copy this and then do unload stream level. It's not good that we have to do that twice, so we would have to refactor that too. But let's see if this loads and unloads. Okay. Okay, let's press J and then J again. All right, it's not there.
Howdy, stranger.
If I do fly. So we should clearly see it. So we do J, and we see that little mess in there. We press J again, and it's unloaded. So it loads and unloads pretty quickly. I would just want to make sure that it's like never really seen ever. So I'll have to look into that more. And we'll also have to fix these warnings. But at least we got loading and unloading working, even though it took forever. So my stream quality went down. I don't know why. It's staying down. But I'm gonna end the stream now. So thanks for watching, everybody. Soupy Doopy, thanks for stopping by.
Just crazy.
Tony, thanks for stopping by. Sandra, Quasi, thanks everybody for coming. Tomorrow we'll play some games with Mediocre Mage, and on Thursday we'll either continue this or have an idea of just kind of following the gameplay ability systems Patronic documentation with everybody, so that we can kind of learn together again how to use the gameplay ability system plugin. So again, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Have a good night.